This is a grandma car, but not any regular grandma car. This thing was 800 bucks. And we're going to use it as a daily driver once we get it fixed up. How hard is that going to be? I don't know. You tell me. Also, it's not my $800 grandma daily driver car. It's Connor's.
Yeah, this is my car, right?
This is Hot Rod. This thing has a North Star V8, 103,000 miles, a very suspicious squeal. Pop the hood. Oh, it's locked. Grandma got locked out. Grandma need a... He's locked out. Locked out of the grandma car. Already grandma car issues. How do we operate this mechanism? Power locks. And
What is happening?
I don't really know what's happening at this point. There we go. So it's a grandma car that has a slight malfunction, but now we know it has anti-theft. It's beautiful. Let's get you in this rig. It's got the super fancy wood.
The hood struts ain't working.
Yeah, it's got the super fancy wood strut action on it. But let's check out this squeal. It sounds great. To me, I think it's supposed to sound like that. Oh. I think it's supposed to sound like that.
Really, I took the key out and it still was running. That's how the ignition is.
Yeah, the ignition's so good that he took the key out and it was still working on it.
I'm going to take this motor apart, figure it out.
We're going to take this motor 100% apart, rebuild it. We're going to do high compression, everything, naturally aspirated, hot rod, cammed, lifters.
Don't let them fool you. You got to show them the parts car, man.
Yeah. Let's check out this parts car that we did pick up. We bought it for $800. We thought it was just one car. No, it's two cars. It came with the parts car. We got to go get it. Then we'll show you that around. It came with an $800. Literally the exact same car. So I think it's fine. Uh-oh. Give her the beans, bruh. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. It's the old parts car. I don't know what happened there to the plate. It's combusted. It's got the blown out syndrome. I think they hit maybe a small dog, a squirrel. Yeah, they hit the squirrel there, and then the rest just died. If you don't look up there, it's great. Is it unlocked? Oh. Can I have entry?
You're not allowed.
Damn. Oh, the back seat done flew up. Damn. Imagine you had your kid back there and it just, I think, maybe that's what happened to the windshield, is that
The skater bugs, man.
it's got its own ecosystem growing in it. Ecosystem there, and it's in here. All up the whole strut. So, sorry, I gotta mow my car. I can't come over today. What is this thing called? An Aurora?
Aurora.
It's the Aura. We got the battery mobulator. Let's see if it runs.
Nah.
Nope. It's probably the inertia. Oh. That's beautiful. It's so quiet.
You gotta let it charge up.
Damn, dude. Dude, you're gonna tear up the earth. You're deforesting the forest. Oh my God. You want a hand with that? Jesus.
The airbag lights on.
I wonder why the airbag light's on. Dude, you're taking the whole ground with you.
There's so much.
All right, straight. Keep her going. Go a little right.
Right?
Just a barely. Now go straight. Yep. 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 Oh, there's a hole. Yep, yep, yep. Stop.
Dude, this thing runs better than my other car.
This thing runs perfect. That's awesome. Got the old hog loaded up back there. Ratchet strap across the hood. Approved. That is loaded securely.
Oh, yeah.
That ain't going nowhere. Think that's good. You're good. Just straight back. Yep. What?
The damn wiper blade came off.
No, bruh. Oh
It's
no.
already shooting glass.
Oh no. Dude, that's a unit, bruh. Damn, dude. That's a mean machine.
Why is a wiper blade?
I don't. Oh.
Dang, son.
Now that the parked car is home, it came with a sexy man on the hood. Oh.
I would put the hood struts on the other one, but these one ain't doing too good either, man.
Yeah, these ones failed too. I don't know if that's a Oldsmobile Aurora. The interior on this one's pretty good, except the explosions that came out of the dashboard. I think that's fine. The seat, you already saw the seat when we picked it up. I think their small dog flew through the windshield, and that's what happened to the windshield, because the seat moved too in the crash.
Heated seats.
Yeah, show them the fucking, the climate shit, dude.
It's got climate control
Dual.
on the door.
Dual climate control. That'll hurt you. Oh, okay. What?
Seats on air ride.
No fucking shot. Air ride seats, bruh? Show me this. Show me this. Show me this right now.
You got plumbed airline
What?
in the seat, bro. Take a look down. They got a yellow and blue plumb airline.
I don't know if you can see because it's really dark, but that yellow is an airline, and then there's a blue one. So that's pretty cool. This guy, motherfucking air ride. I look like a pretzel.
I'm just gonna say this right now. This is not gonna be fun to take the seats out. With the amount of shit on it.
We got to take the topinator off to get to the motor to get to the combobulator, so we can fix the combobulator squeak somewhere in there. This is pretty much Connor's video, just on my thing. So the wheel off. The wheel ate a hole in the fender liner. That's not good.
Homie can't even get one hopper in it out, man. He's definitely not a mechanic.
Oh, you done, bruh.
What?
You done busted it out.
I'm breaking it out here. I'm busting all over this.
This is certified removal. Oh my God. That's beautiful.
This is gonna suck.
I see two pulleys.
The subframe in the way.
Oh no. Off. Oh, the damn washer fluid gonna splooge out.
I don't care.
Fudge, dude.
It's just alcohol.
It's just alcohol.
What is this alcohol?
Oh, it's gonna. Oh! It's on the floor. Oh!
It's just alcohol.
So my mic quit working at this part, but basically we found out that the squeal was coming from the compressor, the AC compressor, and not the water pump. As you can see, we had the AC turned on, and the pulley wasn't spinning, so not good. So what he ended up actually doing to it was that we just put a smaller belt on it and bypassed the compressor, because the compressor was like $600 or something like that. Sounds way better. I'll give you guys a look. She runs mint. So we went from a 90-inch belt to a 74-inch belt, and as you can see, it just bypasses the AC compressor. So no more AC, but a little bit better than $600 for that, just to see if it works. I haven't done any work on this car at all. It's been all him. I'm just recording him doing it. Sounds so much better. Oh yeah. That sounds good, dude. Good job, bro.
God damn, I can't fucking put this fucking car on. Fuck.
One random thing I just thought was super cool about this car is the speaker is covered by carpet. You can't even really tell that it's there, but I looked over here and you can see the gray. I just thought that was kind of cool. Never seen anything like that. It's even got this fancy button for the passenger side that makes noises from the driver's side. I think it's fine. All right, we're gonna go for the first cruise in this whip. It sounds good. It sounds really good. It's just, oh shit! Damn, this thing's kind of quick.
Oh yeah.
I think she's good. I think she runs great. It's kind of quick for a grandma
That
car.
was like quarter throttle. Bro.
It's a sleeper grandma car. It's got the
Ready?
blown out. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready for. Damn, this shit's quick. All right, Connor did a thing, and he's gonna show me. Dude, what? Bruh. I don't know how I feel about that. That's
Very loud.
very loud. Now it's not a sleeper anymore.